While it's tempting to do your own home renovations to save time and money, the danger of working with gas far outweighs the cost of hiring a professional. And today, we're going to talk about the risks and hazards of installing a gas line in your home without the help of a qualified professional. In this case, you'll need to hire a certified plumber who knows exactly what the job calls for. If you don't, you could be putting yourself, your family, and your home in jeopardy. A lot of important factors come into play when installing a gas line, including choosing the correct pipe size, calculating the right BTU output, and testing for gas leaks. If any of these elements is incorrect, you run the risk of serious health issues from gas exposure or even explosive reactions. For example, if you don't install the right pipe size, gas can leak out of the valve and into your home. Installing fire products to a gas line involves precise math. You can only flow so much gas through a given pipe size depending on the number of BTUs it can handle. A certified plumber can easily calculate the right pressure output for any pipe size. For example, if you hook up a grill to your gas line, open the valve, and the burner doesn't ignite, there may not be enough pressure from the gas line. But just because you don't see fire doesn't mean gas isn't flowing from the valve. If you were to try and light the grill with a match, all that built-up gas could cause an explosion. You'll also need to look at your city's codes before you put a gas line on your property. Local certified plumbers have already done the research on your area and are up to date on the latest safety practices. If a gas line is improperly installed in a house you plan to sell later, your property won't pass inspection. All manufacturer warranties will also be voided if gas lines aren't installed correctly the first time, making repairs expensive and time-consuming. With so many risks involved, working with gas lines isn't a task to take on without proper training. Consulting a professional is the best course of action you can take to avoid costly mistakes and keep your home hazard-free. Here at Woodland Direct, we want you to have a safe and amazing experience around fire. Please hire a professional when installing any gas products. If you have any questions, reach out to our team of NFI certified experts at 800-919-1904 or visit us online at www.woodlanddirect.com.